Your professor may include Quickmail in their online course page. This can appear as a block on the side of your course. It may also appear as a link. This depends on your professor's Moodle settings. Quickmail is a special tool in Moodle that gives participants in a class the ability to quickly send Oakland emails to fellow classmates and professors without needing to look up email addresses. Using this tool will send a message to the intended recipient's Oakland email address and keep a copy of the message for the sender in Quickmail. Using Quickmail to send out a message is fairly simple. Click the Compose Course message link in the Quickmail block. You can add or exclude people using the two boxes on the right-hand side of the screen. Type out your email subject in the subject field. Type out your message in the body field. You may optionally choose to add an attachment to the message. Pick when you want the message to be sent, if necessary. Then click on the Send Message button when you are done. If you aren't ready to send the message now, you can click the Save Draft button. This will place the draft in your Quickmail block under the View Drafts link. When you send a message, the recipients will get the email sent to their Oakland email. It will come from your Oakland email, so if they reply to it, it will go back to your Oakland email inbox. This means that the message will be kept outside of Moodle. Note that you will have a copy of the message saved in your Quickmail block under the View Sent Messages link. You can also add signatures to the bottom of your Quickmail messages. The process is easy. In the Quickmail block, click the My Signatures link. Add a title, which will just be something you see as the label for the signature. Type your signature in the signature box. By checking the default box below, you will designate this signature to be added to all messages that you send by default. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the page.